Have a good night, sir. Thank you. This is the elevator here at my hotel I'm staying at for tonight in Oakland, California. This is a hydraulic elevator. California code compliant PTL fixtures. That was quite epic. Listen. Wait, let's look at the cavity now. This is kind of a small elevator. I don't know what brand this was, but this was definitely modernized. Advanced elevator. Anyways, this is at the Ramada by Wyndham in Oakland, downtown Oakland, California. I am not going to be doing a hotel room tour because I'm always out all the time in San Francisco and it just takes too much of a consuming time. But we will end the video down at 5. Door close button works. I love that. This is a hydraulic elevator, which is quite something if you ask me. And apparently, I wonder why. I see the light. Oh, there it goes. And for some reason, my camera, my phone screen is not picking up the light illuminating for some reason. Anyways, we're gonna go and get off here because I'm tired and I gotta go to bed and someone called downstairs. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.